Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for a 1-year-old baby. First, select a variety of fresh, organic vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and zucchini. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and peeled to remove any dirt or pesticides. Then, chop them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch, so they cook evenly and are easy to blend. This foundational step ensures a safe and nutritious meal for your little one. When selecting vegetables, prioritize those that become very soft when cooked, such as carrots, peas, sweet potatoes, and zucchini. It's crucial to avoid adding any salt, sugar, or strong spices, as a baby's kidneys are still developing and their taste buds are sensitive. Cook the vegetables in a small amount of water or low-sodium broth until they are extremely tender, almost falling apart, which makes them perfect for pureeing. Once your chosen vegetables are prepped, simmer them gently in a small pot with just enough water or low-sodium vegetable broth to cover. Cook until incredibly soft, usually 15 to 20 minutes. After cooling slightly, transfer to a blender. Puree until completely smooth, ensuring no lumps. You can add a little breast milk or formula for extra creaminess and a nutritional boost. When serving, ensure the soup is lukewarm, not hot, to protect your baby's mouth. Offer a small portion in a baby-friendly bowl and observe their reaction. Leftover soup can be stored safely in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or frozen in individual portions for longer. Remember to always check the temperature before serving. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.